Daddy,
and
Kittens.
look, wow, many numbers. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. You are 100 tall. Wow. What number is it?
36.
36, yes? Where's the 36? Very good. And here we have 61. Yes, this is 61? This number, what is it?
Yeah.
11. Yes.
149.
Yes, it's 149.
And 49.
Yes.
24.
Here is 34. Yes, 34. And here we have a monster truck, and this is the number 110. Very good, 110. Wow. Here we have helicopter,
53.
and we have 53. Yes. Here's a commando, and he's pilot. So many numbers here, and this number is 128. And 28, yes. And here we have 75. Very good, 75. This is 75. And here we have number 12. 12. This is 12. And here we have number, what is it? 45. 45. And next is 50. 50. Yes, very good. 50 and 45. Come on. And here we have Buzz Astro. And the number is 30. Yes, 30. Hello, Buzz. Another number, 18. 18. Wow. Fire engine. Can you make some noise? Wow.
该做设备检查了，请按对讲机所在的按键开始测试。
And here we have number 29. 29. Hello! Today we make number cards. To make number cards, we need color markers. We need tough color papers. We need soft white papers. We need scissors. These scissors are safety, so you don't need to pass around. We need eyes, many eyes. We need pencil, and we need glue. Are you ready? Let's do it! Your job is make the number 257. Let's go. Yes, very good. Game. What number is it?
18.
What number is it?
46.
What number is it?
17.
What number is it?
93.
What number is it?
153.
What number is it?
714.
What number is it?
931.
Well done!
Daddy, this number, what is it?
500 and kitten 8.
Sponsored by IQ English.